Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you all happy? Do you want to come back to school and meet the teacher? Even the teachers want to meet you all, kids. We are desperately waiting to see you all. Okay, children. Yesterday also I sent you one video that was of grammar. Today also we are going to do grammar. Yesterday we did simple present tense. Today we will be going to do present continuous tense. What are we going to do? Present continuous tense. Children, first and foremost, let's see the heading itself, which tells you everything. Present means just now. Continuous means going on, not finished. Tense means time. So, whatever is happening in the present moment and it is not over. Yesterday also I told you tense means time, and tenses are related to verbs. When an action is taking place, when it shows, that is the tense. Okay, now here we are going to do present continuous tense. Any tense or any action which is not finished, it's still going on, that is called present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, you will have the helping verbs like is, are, am, plus verb plus ing. Okay, that is present continuous tense. Is, are, am plus verb plus ing. That is called present continuous tense. Now let's do some examples of present continuous tense. Children, see. They are showing you Jason is washing his bicycle. It tells us that he is still washing the bicycle. उसने bicycle wash करना खत्म नहीं किया है. So continuous tense will take a present helping verb plus main verb plus ing. Continuous देखते से ही आपको सोच लेना चाहिए कि उसमें क्या लगेगा, ing. And if it is present continuous tense, that means helping verbs plus verb plus ing. That is called present continuous tense. Now here you can see Jason is helping verb. Wash plus ing, washing, is continuous tense. His bicycle, उसने wash करना खत्म नहीं किया, अभी भी कर रहा है वो. Second picture, I am walking to the book shop. आप बुक शॉप की तरफ जा रही हो. आपने जाना खत्म नहीं किया. You are still walking to the book shop. So am plus the verb walk plus ing is the present continuous tense. The dogs are barking at the man. उसमें 3-4 डॉग्स होंगे. यहाँ पिक्चर में आपको एक ही डॉग दिख रहा है, पीछे से भी डॉग्स हैं. So the dogs are, when some people move from near your gate or something, you hear the dogs barking, no? They keep on barking. So in the same way, here they are showing that the dogs are is the helping verb, plus verb bark plus ing is the continuous tense. So are barking is present continuous tense. My sister is eating an apple. वो apple खा रही है. She's still eating. She has not finished eating. Half of the apple is in her hand. So is helping verb, eat plus ing. So is eating, present continuous tense. Sheila and her sister are tidying their room. The two sisters are cleaning their room, tidying their room. They have not finished. They are still doing. बहुत काम बचा हुआ है. So the action is in continuous process. Action अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, अभी भी चल रहा है. That is known as present continuous tense. I am playing with my dog. This tells us that boy is still playing with that dog. He's not stopped playing. So am playing is present continuous tense. Continuous tense means ing add हुआ है. Continuous tense can be in all the three forms: present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. There are some action which happens in the past also, but at that time it must not have been finished. So that's because ing is added. Wherever you will find ing, that is continuous tense. But here we are using all the present helping verbs, so it is present continuous tense. Lisa is eating. Blank nahi bhara hua inne. Lisa is eating lunch in the canteen. She is not finished eating. So, is eating is the present continuous tense. The boys are talking to their teacher. They have not stopped talking. They are still talking. So, that is known as present continuous tense. Monica is walking back home. Now, Monica has not reached home. She is still walking. She has not reached to her gate. So, they are giving us present continuous tense is walking. So, children, now come to page number 78, present continuous tense, chapter 17. Present continuous tense tells us about the action that is going on. Now, read the following example. I gave you before this example so that you are clear with that. Helping verb plus ing. So, read the following sentences. I am reading a book. So, I am reading a book. I have not finished reading. Mother is cooking food. Is cooking. Still she is cooking. She is not finished cooking. The carpenter is working now. Is working. He has not finished working. Children are playing in the drawing room. They are still playing in the drawing room. It is not finished. So, am reading, is cooking, is working, are playing are the present continuous tense. Remember positive sentences. Subject plus is mr to लगेगा ही, plus verb in the first form, root form verb plus ing. रूट फॉर्म क्या मैंने बताया था, बेस वर्ब को बोलते हैं रूट फॉर्म. रन, सिट, जंप, दे आर द रूट फॉर्म. Runs or ran or sits or jumps, they are not the root forms. Okay. So, in positive sentence, subject plus is plus am or are plus verb plus ing plus object. I am, we are, you are, they are. He is, she is, it is. Neelam is dancing. There is positive sentences का मतलब है no negativity, no not लगा हुआ ही नहीं है इसमें. नीलम इज डांसिंग. अगर इसका हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो नीलम इज नॉट डांसिंग. सो पॉजिटिव इज नीलम इज डांसिंग. सेकेंड, इट इज सिटिंग ऑन द ब्रांच ऑफ अ ट्री. थर्ड, राहुल इज वॉकिंग ऑन द पेवमेंट. फोर्थ, जेनिफर इज ड्राइविंग नाउ. फिफ्थ, जॉयस एंड श्रीकला आर टॉकिंग. सो दीज आर ऑल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस बट पॉजिटिव. ओके. अगर हम इसको नेगेटिव में सेंटेंस में बदलते तो इट इज़ नॉट सिटिंग ऑन द ब्रांच. राहुल इज़ नॉट वॉकिंग ऑन द पेवमेंट. जेनिफर इज़ नॉट ड्राइविंग डाउन नाउ. जॉयस एंड श्रीकला आर नॉट टॉकिंग. बट देन इट विल नॉट बिकम present continuous tense. Are you getting the point, children? Now understand this tense. Simple present tense eat, present continuous tense eating, simple present tense sing, present continuous tense singing. Okay. Play, playing, sleep, sleeping, write, writing, dance, dancing, drive, driving, sing, singing, read, reading, close, closing, watch, watching, run, running, talk, talking. So, ing is being added to it. So, this is present continuous tense. Now, in negative sentence, when we say we only add not to the base form, then it becomes negative sentence. Now, negative sentence, subject plus is am are not plus verb plus ing plus object. In order to make negative sentence in the present continuous tense, we simply add not to the base form of the verb plus ing.